Marami ang naantig sa isang love letter ng isang Amerikanong profesor para sa ating mga Pilipino na inilathala ng Philippine Daily Inquirer. Sa sulat, inisa-isa niya ang magagandang katangian ng mga Pilipino, kabilang na ang pagpapahalaga natin sa ating mga kaanak. Kilalanin natin siya sa report ni Mark Salazar.
Isang American professor si Dr. David Harwell. Mahigit 20 ng bansa ang kanyang narating. Pero sa Pilipinas lang siya may thank you letter na inilathala ng Philippine Daily Inquirer. Salamat dahil itinuro raw natin sa kanya ang tunay na mahalaga sa buhay, ang pamilya.
In the Philippines, you have large families and everyone seems to just be peaceful and contented to be around each other in the house. And family dropping by and friends dropping by and I.O. at the door and somebody's coming to see you. And that's very much the way I remember things when I was a child. That culture has faded a lot from America now, and I miss that.
Mabuti na lang hindi uso sa atin ang home for the aged dahil maluha-luha siyang nagkwento kung gaano kalungkot ang nursing homes sa Amerika para sa matatanda.
My grandmother was actually in the nursing home during my time when I lived in Cagayan de Oro City, and she died while I was gone. She was alone, and I learned here, as I did in some other countries, that you do not abandon the people who are elderly in your family. They are your family. I admire that greatly.
Misteryo rin daw kay Dr. Harwell kung paano nakakangiti ang mga Pilipino kahit silang mga gutom.
We worry about cars, you worry about food. Those two things don't even compare. And I hate that for what you have to go through, but I also see that you handle it and smile even when you don't want to. And there's a certain peace that you have in your culture here. And I don't know exactly where it comes from.
Sabi niya sa kanyang open letter, ang malaking diferensya ng Amerika sa Pilipinas, their hands are full but their hearts are empty. At dahil puno raw ang ating puso, kumakanta tayo mula sa puso.
If you ever decide to get rid of your tourist slogan of "It's more fun in the Philippines," call yourself the Musical Islands, because everywhere I go, it's not one single moment. There's a band or someone walking down the street or videoke or something. There's music everywhere, but that can only come from your heart, which is what I love about it.
Sa kanyang mga biyahe, nakita niya raw ang kahanga-hangang sakripisyo ng mga OFW para sa kanilang pamilya. Sa Middle East na lang daw, kung uuwi lahat ng OFW, hihinto ang mundo dahil walang Pilipinong maghahango ng langis sa lupa. Pero mas gusto niya raw huminto na lang ang mundo, makita lang buo ang pamilyang Pilipino.
I would rather see you home at a big dinner, tripping all over each other's feet, as we did when I was young where I was from, than I would think about you being far away.
Ang pinagtataka ko lang kay Dr. Harwell, siyang nagpapahalaga sa ating matibay na bukluran sa pamilya, handang iwan ang sariling pamilya sa Amerika para lang dito na tumira.
And I plan to stay here indefinitely. I'm going home to see my son's graduation in May, and then I'm coming straight back here. I have a good company, I have good friends, I like it here.
Marahil tama lang na pasalamatan din ng mga Pilipino si Professor Harwell dahil sa mata pa niya natin nakikita ang magandang karakter ng Pilipino.
Mahal na mahal kita.
At mahal ka rin namin.
Mark Salazar, GMA News.